Alright, welcome back. Today we are doing CSS padding. So I have my test element called padded here, and currently it has no padding because we haven't added it yet. But to add padding to a div, let's just have a look actually at its default padding. So it goes margins on the outside, then it's got a border if it has one, then padding, and then inner content. So currently our padding is set to nothing. So if we wanted to set the padding, we'd just say padding 10 pixels or whatever you want it to set to. And then you can see it's pushed down a little bit, and if we inspect this little element here, we can see it's changed to padding 10, 10, 10, 10. So now if we wanted to specify the specific padding for each corner, that's the wrong one, 10 pixels, didn't copy properly. And then 10 and 10 and 10. And 10, so that would be then top, right, bottom, left. It always goes clockwise from top and then right and then bottom and then left. That's how I remember it. And so if we want to change the right padding to 100 for some reason, we could just change that, and you can see it's changed here and it has padding. And the reason why you can't see that is because the content is left aligned. So if we change the content to be right aligned, I don't know why I don't have that there, we go text align, and then it will sit right to the edge of the padding there. So you can see it's padded right there, so it will only use this content in the text. So if you wanted something padded, you can do that. And you can also set individual padding, just like with the margin. You can go padding left, and then 10 or 30 pixels, and then if you add that after this kind of shorthand padding, it will change it individually. Let's have a look. So we've got left 30, and that overrides this one. So you can do padding top, left, or top, right, bottom, left if you want to do them individually. And that is padding, pretty much. So you can add padding to any block or inline block element, but you can't do it to elements that are not inline block as far as I'm aware. I'll probably have to check that actually. But anyway, that is CSS padding. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.